Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to make delicious meat pies at home. For the dough for 5 pies you're gonna need 6 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. First we add the salt and flour. Then we add Greek yogurt. Add some water. Now mix it well. You can start mixing with your hands. Once you're finished, you cover the dough. For the filling for 5 meat pies you're gonna need 300 grams of ground meat, 70 grams of cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 grams of ground pepper, 1 gram of chili pepper, 2 grams of garlic powder, 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion, green onions and maybe a bell pepper. First you prepare the onion. Now slice the green onion. Put all the vegetables into a blender. Put some oil in a pan. Heat it up. Add the meat. Reduce the heat. Add the vegetables. Add the spices. Mix it well while it is being cooked. Add the meat into a bowl. Add some cheese. Mix the meat with cheese. You can also add some bell pepper now. Now you slice the dough. You now roll out the dough so you can put the filling in. Now seal the pie. Put some oil in a pan, heat it up. Now put the pie in, cover it and reduce the heat. You should flip the pie after about a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe.